Stop letting your Tableau dashboards look wonky on mobile. Let's learn how to make them responsive to any screen size. First, open your dashboard in Tableau Desktop. You should see your various sheets and objects already placed. What's crucial is setting the overall size. Over on the left, in the dashboard pane, you'll find the size section. This is where the sizing magic happens. Right below you will see the preset drop-down. Click on the drop-down menu labeled preset. Notice the different device options: desktop, tablet, and phone. Tableau already gives you pre-calculated sizes for these standard devices. You have a few choices here. You can use automatic, which causes the dashboard to adjust dynamically to the user's screen, or select a specific preset dimension based on the device your users will be accessing the dashboard on. You can also set a fixed size, entering specific width and height dimensions. This option might work well. Just ensure the device is not too big or too small to display the dashboard correctly. For a more adaptable dashboard, choose Range. Range allows you to define the minimum and maximum sizes of your dashboard to prevent elements from getting distorted at various resolutions. Make sure to test the different setting to ensure the dashboard displays correctly on a wide range of devices. This is where the device preview option shows its value. You can find the device preview button at the top of your Tableau window. This lets you simulate how your dashboard will look on different devices like tablets and phones. This is really important. When a dashboard shifts, objects may overlap, objects may display incorrectly. You may need to adjust object arrangements and use floating objects to make sure everything looks great. Now you are equipped to make dashboards for any device.